I don't know if you remember me.
Yeah, I was like telling you.
Oh, she told you, yeah.
Can
Remember,
you
I asked you like how much like the battery would work. How much it is to change like the battery. I later did a video on that, and now it's on like 222,000 views. So people have questions like,
What questions?
does the iPhone has to be from the iStore? Top of the morning, Saints. Welcome back to another day in the life with the iPhone 13 Pro. I don't know what kind of day in the life starts at 2:04 p.m. Also with the phone on 81% battery life. Well, that's like insane. Pretty sure you guys can see that the phone is caseless right now. So yeah, that's where the repair desk comes in. They saw one of our videos and decided to plug us with a beautiful case for the iPhone 13. So shout out to repair desk Polokwani. Let me link you up about this beautiful case that I got from them. So I've been using this case for the past couple of days, and honestly it's really good for daily use. I really like the ring at the back that acts as a stand so that I can watch content and do Jonas and his triad drama and stuff. And yeah, it's been good. It really feels premium and my phone does feel protected. It also has wireless magnetics support, even though I don't really use wireless magnetics, but it is good to know that you have it. So yeah, if you're somebody who's looking for a premium case for your iPhone 13, 14, up to the 17, even down to the 6, check out Repair Desk at Polokwane, the Greenery, and they'll plug you up. So alright. Here's a quick spec sheet of the phone I'm using. This is my iPhone 13 Pro in graphite with 256 gig of storage. It has a 6.1 Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion, so you know you get that smooth 120 refresh rate. And I know a lot of the girlies are gonna be like, hey, what is this bro talking about? Just know that it has a great screen. Okay, it also packs a triple camera system which has a wide, ultra wide, and a telephoto lens. I find it funny how people online don't believe that this is the phone I use to make content and take pictures. Trust me, the camera on this phone is a beast. Well, that's if you know how to properly use it, which is why later on in the video I'm gonna show you a bit of tricks and tips that I use to get stunning pictures on my iPhone. So stick around for that. Anyway, this phone has been out since 2021 and the battery health is currently sitting at 79%, which is not so good. It won't really last you a day, to be honest, especially if you are rocking 5G networks, which is why I'll later go to the iStore to check out how much it will cost to replace this battery and also the batteries of other iPhones. It's kind of Yo, so just finished chopping some breakfast right now. It's currently 3 o'clock right now. I'm gonna head to the fix real quick, see if we can find a jacket. I am very picky when it comes to clothes. Like, I'm not really seeing something that's moving me yet. Maybe this leather jacket, but I don't know. I don't lie, I'm really messing with this one, but they don't have my size. This is the type of fashion I want to try to tap into, like, you know, the Tommy Shelby kind of fashion. I'm trying to leave drip, so let's see what other stores have. But bro, I'm busy doing shopping here, but I have to be different places. Like, okay, let me go to the iStore real quick and figure out how much it's gonna be to change the battery on my iPhone 13 Pro, because as you guys already seen, it's not looking too good, to be honest. It's now on 79%. It definitely does not last the entire day. So yeah, and also I have a couple questions, because like the last video that I did, but like it's now sitting at 222,000 views, so there's a lot of questions there. Yeah, so I don't know if you remember me.
Yeah, I was if like telling.
Oh, she told you, yeah.
Can you
Remember,
say-
I asked you like how much like the battery what how much it is to change like the battery. I later did a video on that, and now it's on like 224,000 views. So people have questions like,
What questions?
does the iPhone have to be from the iPhone? No, it doesn't. Even if it's from cash considered, you can still get it. Another most asked is like, how long does it take?
Like we used to do the repair shop, but we don't do it. So yeah, but the time we did them, it was like less than 2 days, or even if you're lucky, same day. But now they send them to 27, so it takes about 2 weeks max.
Another person asked, do you also change your MacBook batteries?
I just don't know how much it is.
Another thing was people were shocked.
What? Which one?
They thought like it cost like 5,000 something. Like for real, if like it's like
way
678 comments, like 80% of them is people saying, I thought it was 5,000. I thought it was this much. No. Yeah, I think that's those were the most asked questions. So
Like you don't post anymore on YouTube.
I do.
You do?
You just haven't been tapped in.
Maybe because I forgot your date.
You didn't subscribe.
I did that day. The YouTube that's in here, it's not mine.
Oh.
So that it has like cocomelons this one. Then
Yeah,
what's your, is it?
It's the
Yeah,
actually
it's this
approaching. Tell me. Oh, it's that one.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it.
Guys, please
So much. I think that's all. Appreciate it. Oh, so it's currently 3:21 and we have 50% on the iPhone 18 Pro, and like I said, the battery is now on 79%, so you kind of have to understand that it's gonna drain. It's not gonna last as long as when it was new. So you guys saw how much, bro. We have a charging station at the mall. There's a charging station for plug-in hybrids at the mall. I didn't know that. But yeah, let me get going. So this is the main camera on the iPhone 18 Pro cinematic mode, and like I said, you have to like understand it, because sometimes in certain lighting conditions, especially when it's cloudy, it's not really the best. But when there's full sunlight, I'm telling you, this phone kind of competes with like the iPhone 15, 16 and stuff like that. It's kind of crazy because like a lot of people be asking me, how do I take the pictures? Because I have friends who have the iPhone 16 Pro, but they still wonder how I take pictures, because like somehow the pictures that we take with my 18 Pro look better than the ones they take with their 15, 16s, which is kind of crazy. I think it just runs down to skill. But like I said, it's now a couple of minutes to 4 o'clock, and yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make the BYG meeting because my cameraman already left for practice, and yeah, it's almost 4 o'clock honestly, so I think I have to get going. So yeah.
So what I got into Rabulela Machira Rabulela. Follow a bag. No, I have Nike fan.
It will follow in then YouTube, yeah.
Oh, that's a YouTube channel.
Subscribe. How much is the subscription? It's going to put like 5 down.
Not yet.
Follow me back now.
Away.
Before I eat.
Away.
Follow a bag.
Popular 895.
Yo, was gonna reach out to you right now, but I just CBA with the stress. Don't even put it on your mum's life. All that's promising life is death. Didn't wanna break your heart, but if you want, I'll say it with chest. I go so hard, I'm D&D, cause I can't be broken low like.
So soon after practice, me and my friend went to 10 pin for bowling. So we ordered an Uber there using the 13 Pro. And around 8:28 p.m., I had 5% on the iPhone 13 Pro, bringing my total screen on time to 4 hours and 50 minutes and the screen on time to 50 minutes, which honestly is not that bad considering when this phone was new, it used to do something like 8 to 9 hours. So a phone with 79%, that's not really that bad, but I do advise you to get a battery replacement because it's not that reliable. You end up charging your phone 3 to 4 times a day if you're a heavy user like myself. But yeah, I did end up getting a power bank so that I can charge my phone because the night was still young and we needed to get some nighttime pictures and videos of us bowling. Obviously, I played against bro and I totally smoked him because I am the chief at this bowling game. Anybody can come to me and I'll cook y'all.
God call like Palmer, innit? Hard God call like Palmer, innit? Strike. Brother, what was that, brother? Hole in one, brother. Why didn't you do that at the beginning? You needed one. You needed one. Are you almost there? Can I get one piece? Oh, wait, shout out. Can you shout me a piece? Hey, bro, I wasn't sure if it was you, man.
No problem.
Sorry, sorry for the step.
Nah, no stress. Thumbs up.
Congrats on the new whip.
No, thank you. I will have
Shout out.
Yo, Saints, you're gonna have to forgive me for this. I forgot to record the part of us doing a camera test, so let me just show you guys a couple of pictures that I already had in the iPhone 13 Pro. Let's go.
What gone? I ain't seen Shorty in a minute. She asked how I am, I said calm. She said I'm the man, I said in it. Posted up with my dog at yard. If you got a friend for my friend, then bring it. When I was broke, hardcore that December, but now I'm up, my step got springing. Baby, turn it around and spin it.
Alright, Ox, it's time for the conclusion. Should you buy an iPhone 13 Pro in 2026 going into 2027? Honestly, my answer is no, because the iPhone 13 Pro is ranging between 9,500 to 12,500 rands, depending on the battery health, condition, and all that other stuff. In my opinion, I'd rather you guys save up a bit of money and just get the 14 Pro, because the 14 Pro is ranging between 12.5 to 15k depending on storage, condition, battery health, and everything like that. So my advice to you is that if your budget allows, just save up and get the 14 Pro, because you also be getting dynamic island, which is something that even the modern iPhones have, so you won't feel like you're behind too much. The 13, it still has the notch. It's not bad, at least it's the smaller notch, but just for convenience sake and aesthetic for some people, having the dynamic island can really be useful sometimes. But other than that, the 13 and the 14 Pro are more or less the same phone. The body, the design, the feel, everything. Even the camera is not much of a difference in terms of like camera performance. So yeah, if your budget allows it, just go for the iPhone 14 Pro. But if not, it's still okay. The phone is still good. You just won't have dynamic island. If that's not a deal breaker for you, then be my guest. The 13 Pro is still good. You're still gonna get a lot of software support because iOS 27 is even supporting the iPhone 11 Pro. So you know the iPhone 13 Pro is still gonna be supported for at least another 2 or 3 years. The only thing that I'm gonna advise you guys is if you're getting a 13 Pro or a 14 Pro, especially refurbished, make sure you get the battery changed, because I'm pretty sure a lot of these phones are having batteries that are around 83, 82, 80, 79%. Like mine is on 79%. I'm thinking about changing the battery on my phone because I don't really think I'm gonna sell the phone anytime soon. I might upgrade, but I still want to keep the 13 Pro for a bit longer because I feel like this phone is still pretty good for daily usage, for content creation. If I'm upgrading, I'm probably gonna just upgrade for the sake of having a 16, 17 Pro. Who knows? But one thing that I know for sure is even if I buy a 17 or a 16 Pro, I'm not gonna sell the 13 Pro for now. Maybe after a year, because I haven't been using this phone for more than a year, to be honest. But anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. If you find it helpful, entertaining, make sure to share it with your friends, families, everybody at school, college, work. Just let them know there's a tech guy who's making big moves in Africa. So yeah, shout out to you guys. Love you. See you in the next video. We're almost at 300 subscribers, by the way. If not, we're already there. But thank you guys. Slow motion is better than no motion. 1K before the end of the year. Yeah, let's get it.